Hi guys, may accessories po ulit. Demo po lang natin. Nagkabit tayo ng push start, scooter car alarm, remote auto start, remote kill engine. Meron sa pag lumapit ka, automatic unlock. Pag lumayo ka, automatic lock. And then emergency keypad in case na mahulog yung remote nyo or ubusan ng battery yung remote. And then automatic transmission, ECC, ignition on, and then hapak brake, start. Meron din siyang yan, hapak brake, one click. And then nagkabit tayo ng Lenovo dashcam. Yan, front and rear. Yan. Thank you for watching mga boss. Migay Car Accessories.